How to integrate Zoho Mail with other Zoho apps. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to integrate with other Zoho apps, you can access the Zoho apps from here in the top right corner. Click on this apps menu. It'll open up the list of apps available for you. These are all the apps provided by Zoho. There are various productivity apps with different kinds of features and usability, so you can use different apps and tools according to your requirements. And in order to integrate your Zoho Mail with this kind of apps, all you need to do is you can head over to the apps that you like. Let's say if I want to access this Connect app, it'll open up the Connect website in a different tab. As you can see in the top right corner, you are still logged in with your Zoho Mail account, so your account is already integrated. You can now create your network in this Zoho Connect app. Click on Create, and now you can easily access this app, and your Zoho Mail account is already integrated. Similarly, you can use different other apps too. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.